First off, the EM drive is a theoretical device that is based on the premise of creating thrust without a physical fuel. This is very much a sci-fi theoretical device, but very much would have its uses if it was proven to be possible. The EM drive seems to violate the conservation of momentum and Newton's third law, stating that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. This is due to the fact that there is no clear observable propellant being created by this drive. This doesn't mean that the EM drive is entirely impossible. It just means the scientists have no clear idea how the energy that they are feeding into it is creating thrust, although there are plenty of hypotheses on how it works. Although many prototypes of these EM drives have been tested creating small amounts of thrust, none have gone on to be tested a second time with the same data. Theoretical physicists have since then deemed the EM drives impossible, blaming any thrust numbers that have been measured as a measurement error. Now the question is, why continue working on a technology that is highly improbable? That is because if we can create this, it would have huge implications in future space travel, as it doesn't require the literal tons of fuel that other thrusters need in order to operate. Even though tests have shown this device creating thrust, it is widely believed that it is impossible for this type of drive to produce the amount of thrust that it did, although small. Reviews of the tests have revealed a number of issues that could have accounted for some of the thrust numbers, but still haven't completely ruled out the results. Many scientists state that the chances of the results being true are slim, but not zero. Though many things in the physical tests may have accounted for some error in the thrust values, not much was able to explain the full thrust value that was created in the tests, except for just a computer error which could have been possible. Overall, even though this device is very cool, the general consensus is that it is highly improbable that this EM drive will even work. So we probably won't see it in the near future.